It's a long night.
It's cold.
Oh my gosh. But we survived it somehow. Okay. Oh, that hand's not good. Yeah, 30 degrees. 6 hours of chainsaw. Rain. No dry spot to put a tent. But we survived it.
Just headed down to the truck for a cup of coffee.
Because we forgot our cups and our spoons.
Our morning commute right now.
We ate our dinner last night with tent spikes. Oh. But this is what we've got so far.
I think you could, like, there's no way to get a truck up here right now, but you could easily get a four-wheeler up here with a little more work.
Yeah. Well, now we gotta get a four-wheeler. Venmo and bio, y'all.
Yeah, help support sleeping dogs. I'm gonna cut these up. These are good rounds still. That's a good round.
Okay. I cut down some pretty big ones further down the trail. I don't know if we want to huff them all the way up here, though.
Were they dry on the inside?
Huh?
Were they dry on the inside?
Yeah.
Most of it was real punky. Like that, I don't think you could burn. We could cut them open a little more and see if it's better, but... You see that?
Uh-huh.
Here?
I think so. I thought I saw one down here yesterday when I was cutting.
Oh, yep, here we go.
Oh, but I don't know if I can catch him with the cam.
Oh, snowshoe. That guy's gotta go for sure.
Yeah, I just wasn't sure how to do it because it looks like he's holding up this other fucking thing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be a tough one.
There's another one somewhere out here that I really wanted to get, but he's also holding up a giant deadfall.
We really freed it up for, I think that first is dead, but that one looks like he might be okay.
Yeah.
Those scrubs that are coming.
Are we going the right way?
Huh?
I was asking if we were going the right way.
What is the trail too?
Oh, jeez. All right, that's all we're giving y'all. This next part is a little too ugly for viewers. All mud.
That's Fern Lane.
Fern Lane. Sun's peeking out. Got some clearing to do today to connect our current site to the trail. We're thinking we're going to make this base camp for the time being until we can get some dirt work sorted. That's all right. Let's see the chair.
I have a chair.
Woo!
King in the castle, king in the castle. I have a chair.
Oh.
I have a chair.
I like that it's kind of... Look at
You got something to grab your nuts.
that. Sit on it, sit on it. How's the height? Oh, it looks pretty good. Feel like
That's a little too high.
it's a throne.
It's not good for relaxing. That's not too
How
bad.
much relaxing are you going to be doing up here?
I think I just did it. I think that was-
Relaxation's over.
Yeah.
Back to work.
Got camp cleaned up a little bit. Sam made a pretty good trail from the trail to camp. We got our Tacticam set up to catch any scoundrels
Yep.
or bears.
We did find huge grizzly tracks this morning, so that was a little spooky, but what can you do? But yeah, I guess I could walk over here a little bit. A little view of what we got going on. More work to do, but it's looking pretty good.
Way better than it was this morning.
Yeah, not bad for a day and a quarter.
Yeah.